Hi children, today you are going to learn ninth class 7th chapter, that is triangles, in that exercise number 7.4. In this 7.4 mainly we have to discuss about the four theorems. So if you know two of the theorems, 7.6 and 7.8, will be know the remaining two also. So they are reciprocals of these two theorems. If you know the one theorem, will be know the second theorem also. So let us know that what are these theorems and how to remember this and how can we apply these theorems into 7.4 exercise to solve the problems. So here let us go to the 7.6 theorem, that is the angle opposite to the longer side is greater. The angle which is opposite to the longer side is greater. That means, see that, suppose in a triangle, suppose you take it, I have taken this triangle, once you see, this is a triangle, is a ABC triangle. As you know, this is a obtuse angle, okay, this will be a obtuse angle more than 90 degrees. So suppose it is a greater angle comparing these two. This is a greater angle comparing these two. So very simple concept. Okay, a greater angle will have opposite greater side. A greater side opposite greater angle. Okay, remember the greater angle. The angle opposite to the greater side is greater. So which side is greater in this? ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది ఈ రెండు సైడ్ల కంటే ఈ ఏసీ సైడ్ అనేది గ్రేటర్ అని, పెద్దది అని. సో ద angle which is opposite to the greater side is greater. The angle which is opposite to the longer side is greater. ఏ సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంది? ఏసీ సైడ్. సో దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ పెద్దది. ఓకే, సపోజ్ it is a 7 centimeter, it is a 3 centimeter, it is a 5 centimeter. Now you can understand these two theorems now. Which side is greater here? 7 centimeter is the greatest side, longer side comparing to 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 7 centimeter is the longer side comparing to the 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So here opposite to the 7 centimeter there is an angle B. So this will be a greater angle comparing to these two angles. Greater angle will contains opposite side greater angle. Greater side contains opposite side greater angle, and smaller angle contains opposite side a smaller side. ఓకే, ఏ సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, ఏ సైడ్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. లేకుంటే దీన్ని ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు, అవునా, ఏ యాంగిల్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, ఏ సైడ్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ కూడా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. సో చూడండి, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 120 degrees, దెన్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి యాంగిల్ ఇది స్మాలెస్ట్ కదా, సో ఇట్ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ ఫర్ 30 degrees. 150 అయితే, సో ఇది 30 అయితే కదా, సో యూ టేక్ హియర్ 20 degrees and here you can take it 140, so remaining 40 degrees. చూడండి, సో this is a longer side contains a greater angle opposite. Okay, the angle which is opposite to the longer side is greater. The angle which is opposite to the smaller side, the angle which is opposite to the smaller side is small. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఈ సైడ్ పెద్దది కనుక ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ పెద్దది. తర్వాత 7 సెంటీమీటర్స్ తర్వాత వచ్చేసి 5 సెంటీమీటర్. 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్కి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్, ఓకే, దీనికన్నా కొద్దిగా చిన్నది. ఇక్కడ 3 సెంటీమీటర్ ఇస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి. సో దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ సి, అది స్మాలెస్ట్ యాంగిల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ అలాగే ఉంటాయి. ద యాంగిల్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ద లాంగర్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్, అంటే ఏదైతే యాంగిల్ లాంగర్ సైడ్కు ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ గ్రేటర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, లాంగర్ సైడ్కు ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ గ్రేటర్గా ఉంటుంది. లాంగర్ సైడ్కు ఆపోజిట్గా ఈ యాంగిల్ ఉంది. సో యాంగిల్ బి అనేది గ్రేటెస్ట్ యాంగిల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్. సపోజ్ we take a right angle triangle. We know that in the right angle triangle, angle B equal to 90 degrees. So this is known as a hypotenuse. 90 degrees quite opposite side is known as a hypotenuse. And we know that hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angle triangle. Longest side. Hypotenuse and pedda side in right angle triangle. So the remaining two are acute angles. Even 30 degree, 40 degree తీసుకోండి, ఇది ఒక 50 degrees తీసుకోండి. This 40 and 50 degrees are known as acute angles. This is a right angle. So 40 degrees and 50 degrees less than 90 degrees. So now which angle is greater here? This angle is greater. So it contains opposite side a longer side. ఈ యాంగిల్ కు ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఏ యాంగిల్ చిన్నది? ఈ 40 degrees. దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న సైడ్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది కంపేరింగ్ టు. సో ఇలా చూసుకోవాలి. So the angle opposite to the longer side is greater. The side opposite to the greater angle is longer. ఇది కూడా అంటే యాంగిల్ పెద్దగా ఉంటే దానికి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటే దానికి ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ కూడా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ అలాగే ఉంటాయి. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ మనకు ఫెమిలియర్ థీరమ్స్. సో దీస్ టూ థీరమ్స్ ఆర్ దట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So if you take a ABC 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. You add any two triangles. Now with 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm we can form a triangle because here you add any two sides, it will be greater than third side. Suppose 5 plus 6, 11. 11 is greater than 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 is greater than 6. 6 plus 7, 13 cm. 13 cm is greater than 5 cm. So sum of any two sides is greater than third side. If it is possible, the next theorem also will be possible. It is possible होता है, इधर भी possible होता है. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than third side. If no difference is 6 minus 5, 1 is less than 7. 7 minus 6 is 1 is less than 5. So the third side. Based on third side, sum of any two sides, నువ్వు ఏవైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అది థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఆ రెండు సమ్ అనేది థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఏవైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ 4 థియరమ్స్ మనం గుర్తుంచుకుంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దీస్ 4 థియరమ్స్ ఈజీలీ వీ కెన్ డూ దిస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ 7.4. ప్లీజ్ మేక్ ఇట్ నోట్ దిస్. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ వీ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డూ ఇట్. సో వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి రిమెంబర్ ద ఫస్ట్ 2 థియరమ్స్. The angle which is opposite to the longer side is greater and the side which is opposite to the greater angle is longer. These two we have to be remembered. And let us go for the exercise number 7.4. In that, question number 1, solution. And see that what is the question number 1? Show that the right angle triangle, okay, show that the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. In the right angle triangle we have to show that the hypotenuse is the longest side. As we know that, so already we know that in the right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side, but we have to show it is a mathematically. So we'll show the proof that here AC is a hypotenuse. AC is a hypotenuse. Then we have to show that this AC hypotenuse is a longest side in the triangle ABC. So how can we prove that? So let us go for that. Now in triangle ABC triangle, angle B equal to 90 degrees and angle A and angle C are, if it is 90 degrees, what about these two angles? These two angles are acute angles. Acute angles in the sense the sum of 3 angles should be give us 180 degrees. So already 90 degrees completed. So when you add these two angles will give us 90 degrees. And already 90 degrees అయిపోయింది. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 90 degrees వస్తుంది. So here angle A and angle C are less than this 90 degrees. So we'll write the same thing that, so here angle B is greater than angle A because the right angle is greater than acute angle. So here if angle B is greater than angle A, we know that if angle B is greater, the opposite side is longer. ఈ యాంగిల్ పెద్దదైతే దీనికి ఆపోజిట్గా ఉన్న సైడ్ పెద్దదవుతుందా? వాట్ ఇస్ ద సైడ్ దెన్? హియర్ ఏసీ which is greater than this angle is A. What is the opposite side? That is BC. So here this we need to be remember. This is statement number 1. Remember. So angle B is greater than angle A. Okay. Then angle B opposite side is AC. AC is greater than angle A opposite side is BC. So BC. So AC is greater than BC. Then we have to go for the next. Angle P is also greater than angle C because it is a right angle and it is a acute angle. Right angle is greater than acute angle. So angle B is greater than angle C. So angle B opposite side is AC. So angle B opposite side is AC. It is greater than angle C opposite side is AB. Now this also you remember as this equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write that and we can say that AC is greater than BC, AC is greater than BC and this AC is greater than AB. And AC అనేది BC కన్నా AB కన్నా పెద్దది. AC is greater than BC and this AC is greater than AB also. So this AC is greater than AB and BC side. AB and BC sides. So the AC is the longest side in the right angle triangle. The AC nothing but hypotenuse is longest side. The hypotenuse is longest side in right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Hence prove చేసేసాం కదా అయిపోయింది. Now next one in that second question solution. We go for the second question solution. Here the second question solution is that in the adjacent figure the sides AB and AC. So let me draw the figure first. Here A, B and it is a C and it is extended till P and this is extended till Q. So in the adjacent figure given that what they are given in the adjacent figure AB and AC, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to P and Q. The side AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended till P and Q. This AB side extended till P and this AC side is extended till Q. It goes to then also given angle P, B, C, angle PBC, angle PBC, this angle P to B and B to C. Angle PBC is less than angle QCB. QCB. And we have to show that this is what I have given RTP. We have to show that AC is greater than AB. We have to show that AC is greater than AB. Easily we can show it. See that we go for a proof. Here AC side we have to show that it should be greater than AB and AC అనేది AB కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటుందని చూపించాలి. Okay, then proof. See that here angle QCB is this angle. So here angle PBC, angle PBC. So as you know that exterior angle of a triangle. So let us write this. Angle PBC is less than angle QCB, which is what given here. This is what I given. It is angle PBC is less than angle QCB. So according to here, the exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior, sum of two interior opposite angles, sum of two interior opposite angles. So angle PBC is a external angle. This is angle PBC. Here B is an external angle of triangle ABC. This external angle equal to, these are the two opposite interior angles. For this B, these two are opposite interior angles. So let us write that angle, for angle PBC we can write angle A plus angle ACB. Angle ACB, that is less than. So angle B equal to opposite interior angles are angle A and angle ACB. This is less than. So here also angle, here QCB, this is an external angle. This external angle equal to opposite interior angles are angle A and angle B. E external angle to opposite angles A and this B. So angle A plus sum of two interior angles. Angle A plus angle ABC. Angle ABC. And both the sides we can cancel this angle A and angle A. So what is left you right now? Angle ACB is less than angle ABC. So angle ACB nothing but this one. Angle ACB is less than angle ABC. So this angle C, angle ACB, this angle C is smaller than angle ABC. అంటే ఈ C అనేది B కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంది. Angle C is smaller than this, we can write angle C is smaller than angle B. అంతే కదా, మిడిల్ లెటర్ అనేది యాంగిల్ అవుతుంది. సో if angle C is smaller, the opposite side also will be smaller. So the angle C opposite side is AB, which is smaller than the angle B opposite side is AC. So what is this meaning? You see, AB is smaller than AC. అంటే దీన్ని మనం ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, AC is greater than AB. The meaning is this, as proved. See, AB is small, so I kept small. AC is greater, so AC is greater than AB. Hence proved. See, very simple. Only we have applied that exterior angle of a triangle, that equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. I hope you understood this. Now we go for the next two problems of this exercise. I remember this exterior angle. Here angle PBC is the exterior angle. Sum of interior angles are angle A plus angle ACB. So here QCB is a external angle. For this external angle, these are the two opposite interior angles. So where angle A is a common, so I cancel the angle A. The remaining two angles when I observe, I got answer directly. Yes. Now we go for the question number 3. Question number 3 solution. See, what is that? Let me draw a diagram here. Yes. Now here it is a A and B, it is O, and C, it is a D. Let us go for that. Given that, let us read the question now. In adjacent figure, in this figure, angle B is greater than angle B is less than angle A. So angle B is less than angle A. Okay. And is also give angle C is less than angle D. Angle C is less than angle D. That means angle A is greater, angle B is smaller. Angle B is less than angle A. B అనేది A కన్నా చిన్నది. So A అనేది B కన్నా పెద్దది. So angle C is less than angle D. So angle C is small one, angle D is the greater one. That's why I have shown with a double band of angles. అంటే ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ పెద్దవి, ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ చిన్నవి. సో ఇప్పుడు చూసుకోవాలి. So that RTP ఏ యాంగిల్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, ఏ యాంగిల్ చిన్న ఉంటుందో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ చిన్న ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు థింగ్స్ గుర్తుంచుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సో ఏడి we have to prove that AD is less than BC. AD is less than BC. This we have to prove it. Okay, let us prove this. Now we go for the proof. Yes, we'll take it here. Angle B is less than angle A. This is what is given. It is kada. This is what is given. Angle B is less than angle A. Okay, in triangle ABC. In triangle, sorry, AOB. In triangle AOB. Okay, given in triangle AOB. Now, see angle B opposite side. This is AO, which is less than. Angle A opposite side. Only opposite sides చూసుకోండి. Angle A को opposite side BO. This is equation number 1. Now again, let us take this statement now. This is the first statement. The second statement is that angle C is less than angle D. Angle C. Opposite side is OD. Is less than angle D. Opposite side is OC or CO. OC. Okay. Then this is statement number 2, but it is given, no? This is also given in triangle. Which triangle we use? In triangle COD. In COD triangle we observe this. From 1 and 2, from 1 plus 2 we get 1 plus 2 in the sense C. LHS side, let us add it. OA, sorry, AO plus OD, which is 2 or less than BO plus OC. Here AO plus OD equal to AD, which is less than BO plus OC. BO plus OC equal to BC. Yes. So AD is less than BC as proved. Therefore, as proved. చాలా చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్, ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ గుర్తుంచుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సో నౌ వి గో ఫర్ క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 4. సో హియర్ కాన్సంట్రేట్ ఆన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 4. Yes. Now here it is a B, D and C. So what is given? What we need to find out? Let us see. Given that, what is given that? See, AB and CD are respectively smallest and greatest sides. AB and CD are smallest. AB is a smallest side. AB is a smallest side, and here ABCD is a quadrilateral is given. First let us write this. What is this ABCD? ABCD is a quadrilateral. So let us write ABCD is a quadrilateral in that AB is a smallest side and CD is a greatest side. CD is a greatest side. CD is a greatest side, and we have to show that RTP required to prove that the first one, angle A is greater than angle C, and the second proof in this, angle B is greater than angle D. So AB అనేది smallest side in quadrilateral ABCD and CD అనేది greatest side in quadrilateral ABCD. So here we need to prove this. Let us prove. Okay, proof. Let's go further. For this proof, let us do some more extra constructions in the given figure. How? Let us go for this. I will divide this triangle into these two parts. Angle A and illa chusukundam. So let us divide this like this. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this I have given angles. Let us go for that. Now here in triangle ABC, we will take first. In triangle ABC. In this ABC triangle, let us see that. In this ABC triangle. By looking at this ABC triangle, so what can you tell about the BC side and AB side? What can you tell about BC side and AB side? As we know, AB is a smallest side. AB is a smallest side, no, then BC will be somewhat greater than that. BC అనేది పెద్ద ఉంటుంది. BC is greater than AB. అంతే కదా. BC అనేది AB కన్నా పెద్ద ఉంటుంది because AB is a smallest side. So what is BC here? The BC is a longest side, a longer side. The BC is a longer side in this triangle ABC comparing to the AB side. So BC opposite angle is 1. The BC side opposite angle is 1. So for this side opposite angle is 1. For the AB opposite angle is 3. This is equation number 1. Now in triangle, you take opposite triangle now. In triangle ACD. In triangle ACD. So what can you say here? AD is a smaller one and CD is a greatest side. As given, CD is the greatest side. Look at the side. CD is greatest, then AD. So what is the CD here? CD opposite angle is 2. Angle 2 is greater than, here AD is opposite angle is 4. So this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 now. From 1 plus 2 we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is greater than angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is nothing but angle A, which is greater than angle 3 plus angle 4 is nothing but angle C. That is what else proved here. Let us go for here also. Proof. Now let us take in triangle. For this we require some more extra construction again. So దీనికి ఎలాగ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తామో దీన్ని కూడా అలాగే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి. So now at that time you go for this. Okay. And forgot for a time being you forgot about these angles. Okay. For a time being you forgot about this line now. As you can write here now some more angles. Now what we can write here, already 3, 4 completed. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let us go for like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. So in triangle now BCD. In triangle BCD. BCD. In this triangle, see that in this triangle already we know that CD is the greatest side. As given, CD is the greatest side. So CD is greater than, now we require BC. CD, the opposite angle is 5. So angle 5 is greater than, so here BC opposite angle is 7. So angle 7. So opposite side to opposite angle is 4. Equation number 3. Okay. Now in triangle, we'll take the other triangle. So in triangle BDA. BDA or ABD. In triangle ABD and this is not. So in triangle BDA, what I can say here, see in BDA triangle, see that this AB side, because AB is the smallest side, AB is uninteractional, so here AD will be greater than, so AD will be greater than AB, because AB is the smallest, AB uninteractional side, CD uninteractional side, ఆ బేస్ తోనే మేము రాస్తున్నాం. AD opposite angle is 6. So angle 6 is greater than, here AD opposite angle is 8. Angle 8. This is equation number 4. From 3 plus 4, equation number 3 plus 4, we get, what we get? Angle 5 plus angle 6, which is greater than angle 7 plus angle 8. Angle 5 plus angle 6 is nothing but, 5 plus 6 is nothing but angle B, which is greater than angle 7 plus angle 8 is nothing but angle B. Hence proved. Hence proved. What is number? Angle B is greater than angle D. So these constructions are required. First you construct AC, you join, and next you join BD. So when your AC is joining, imagine that there is no BD like this, and take ABC triangle and ACD triangle. And when you are join BD, just imagine that BCD is present once, and then take BDA triangle. Then you can finish up this. See, very easy then. The other problems. Once you observe this, if you need a screenshot, you can take it now. Now we go for question number 5. Now we go for the question number 5. And look at here, this question number 5. So I will be drawing diagram here. Yes. PQR. PQR is a triangle. In that, here it is a PS. Then let us see. Here PS. Let us see what is question actually, what we need to find. In the adjacent figure, PR is greater than PQ. PR అనేది PQ కన్నా పెద్దది అంట. So in adjacent figure, in triangle PQR, PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ. And PS bisect the angle QPR. This PS is bisect the angle QPR. That angle P ni bisect చేస్తుంది QPR. ఈ angle P ni ఈ PS అనేది bisect చేస్తుంది. What is the meaning of bisect? And here PS bisects angle QPR. That means what is the meaning of this? This PS is bisecting angle P. That means this angle P divided by two equal parts by this PS. So what is that we can write now? Angle QPS. Angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. Right? Shall we write like this? Because these two angles are equal. Because bisected. This PS is bisects angle QPR. PS is bisect angle QPR. Then through that, let's go for the RTP. So what we need to prove here, angle PSR. Angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Angle PSQ. Let us prove this now. We go for a proof. Let us go for a proof. Now as a given first statement here, let us take this now in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, given that what he gave, this PR is greater than PQ. So PR is greater than PQ. Okay, then here angle, we go for angle PR. PR angle is what? PR opposite side, this is a PR is the opposite side, and this is the greatest longer side, then this is a longer side, and PQ is a smaller side. Simple. PR is a longer side and PQ is a smaller side according to this statement. Now the PR opposite angle is angle Q. angle Q, which is greater than, here PQ opposite angle is angle R. Angle R. So here, see, let us add these two angles again, angle P and angle C. These two angles are equal, no? These two angles are equal. So let us add angle P, yes, QPS and RPS. This one, these two angles are equal, no? So what I will do is this, angle P, angle Q I will keep like this, and angle R I will keep like this. But I will add both the sides. I will add both the sides, this angle QPS and RPS. Angle QPS and angle RPS. ఈ రెండు నేను యాడ్ చేశాను బికాజ్ ఈ రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్ యాంగిల్స్ కదా, we can cancel this both because they are equal sides ని యాడ్ చేశాను. Okay, so there will be no change in the sum also because here I added 30 degrees, suppose here I also added 30 degrees, equally I added because equal angle I added. So what happens, you see now, since this angle Q and angle P, angle Q and angle P, these are the two interior angles, no? So what will be in triangle? Now in triangle PQS, triangle PQS, in triangle PQS, this angle S is a external angle. In triangle PQS, this is a external angle. For this external angle will be equal to sum of two internal angles. Sum of two internal angles. So in the external angle of a triangle, equal to here. External angle of a triangle. Here I write. First, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. So in triangle PQS, this angle S is external angle. This opposite interior angles are angle Q plus angle QPS. This is what? Then. So in that, here angle Q plus angle QPS equal to, is రెండు ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్స్ కు ఈ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ నౌ? Angle here, as we need to prove it here, yes, PSR, okay, PSQ. Okay. So for these two internal angles we get the external angle PSR, angle PSR. So in triangle PRS, now ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుందాం. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ కు ఈ రెండు ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్స్ కదా, దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఏంటి? ఇది. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్. సో నౌ యాంగిల్ R ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ RPS equal to, what is the external angle? QSP or PS. So we have to prove that is PSR. Yes, PSQ. Yes, PSQ. Simple. ఇంకోసారి చెప్తాను. ఈ రెండు ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్స్ కు ఇది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్. For these two internal angles, this is the external angle. So sum of these two internal angles equal to this external angle, no? So this external angle here PSR, angle Q plus angle QPS equal to angle PSR. Okay. Now for these two internal angles, this is the external angle. So in triangle PRS, angle R plus angle P equal to this external angle PSQ. So this you keep it as the equation number 1. Now from 1, let us see now. Here, now from 1, angle Q, what is the angle 1? So angle Q plus angle QPS, which is greater than angle R plus angle RPS, RPS. Okay, this is what. Now as we know here already, angle Q plus angle QPS equal to angle PSR, which is greater than. So angle R plus RPS equal to angle PSQ. Angle PSQ. So here hence proceed PSR is greater than angle PSQ. And first here these two angles are equal. So angle Q is greater than angle R will get. We'll add the angle P on the both the sides. This is equation number 1. These two are the interior angles. So this is the external angle. So PSR is equal to angle Q plus angle QPS. Now these two are interior angles. So this is the external angle. Angle PSQ will be equal to angle R plus angle RPS. So in the equation number 1, if you substitute, you get an answer. Hence, fruit. So this statement you have to write. After this, you continue this first. Okay. So very simple one. Once you observe, external angle of a triangle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So based on that formula, we have completed this. So opposite sides, opposite angle, opposite side, opposite angle. Based on only this, we have completed this exercise. Now we go for the question number 6 now. This question number 6. Let's see the what is the question number 6. If two sides of a triangle measures 4 cm and 6 cm, find the all possible measurements of positive integers only. Find the third side. How many distinct triangles can be obtained? So here the two sides of a triangle are given. The given two sides of a triangle. The given two sides of a triangle is equal to 4 cm and 6 cm. We have to find out the third side of the triangle. We have to find out the third side of the triangle. And the third side, the third side you can write 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever number you can write now. So how many triangles you can form like that? To form a triangle, we have two theorems actually. As I told you before, beginning of this video, that sum of any two sides should be greater than third side, and the difference of any two sides should be smaller than the third side. So based on that, we are going to do it. Here, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Greater than third side. Let us add these two sides. So here 4 cm plus 6 cm. Let us add these two sides of the triangle. It must be greater than, see, greater than third side. Third side. So what happens here? 4 cm plus 6 cm, that is 10 cm, is greater than third side. Third side. This you keep it as a equation number 1 like. And we go for the one more theorem. Here second theorem. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than third side. Smaller than third side. You wrote a difference find out chedam. That is 6 cm minus 4 cm. Difference is minus. It should be less. It should be less than. The difference should be less than third side. Less than symbol greater than. 6 cm minus 4 cm is 2 cm. It is less than third side. So this is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2 now. From equation number 1 and 2, what we can write? We can write that ఈ థర్డ్ సైడ్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు చూడాలి. థర్డ్ సైడ్, the range of the third side will get. The range of the third side. The third side is greater than 2 centimeters. The third side, it is greater than 2 centimeters. And this third side is less than. So that means the third side is smaller than 10 centimeters. That means it's less than 10 centimeters. See, this is the reference unit. The third side is greater than 2 centimeters. The third side is less than 10 centimeters. అంటే ఆ థర్డ్ సైడ్ 2 సెంటీమీటర్ 10 సెంటీమీటర్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. సో therefore the third sides are, therefore the third sides equal to either greater than 2 centimeter, no, it may be 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter or 7 centimeter or 8 centimeter or 9 centimeter. A third side is either 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe any of these sides. So, if the third side, if you keep any one of these sides, it will satisfy the conditions that sum of two sides should be greater than third side and the difference of any two sides will be less than the third side. ఆ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తారు. ఈ రెండు సైడ్స్, ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తేనే అది ట్రయాంగిల్ అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే ట్రయాంగిల్ కాదు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అండి. How many distinct triangle can be formed, be obtained? How many distinct triangle can be obtained? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the 7 distinct triangles can be obtained with the given two sides of the triangle. Okay. Therefore, 7 distinct triangles can be formed. 7 distinct triangle can be formed. అంటే ఇంకో 7 ఆల్వేస్ ఇలాగే చేయాలి. ఏమైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ ఇచ్చి థర్డ్ సైడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడంటే ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ అప్లై చేసి ఆ థర్డ్ సైడ్ రేంజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, వాట్ ఇస్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ది థర్డ్ సైడ్, ఆ రేంజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే థర్డ్ సైడ్ ఏ సెంటీమీటర్స్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి, ద థర్డ్ సైడ్ అనేది ఎన్ని సెంటీమీటర్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. అంటే ఈ రెండు థీరమ్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఈ ప్రాసెస్లోనే ఆ థర్డ్ సైడ్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ we can find out the third side by this statement only. Now the question number 7 based on the same theorem actually. Let us see. Try to construct a triangle with 5 cm, 8 cm and 1 cm. Is it possible or not? Why? Give your justification. Give your justification. The given measurements of the given measurements of the given measurements of the triangle equal to 5 centimeter, comma 8 centimeter, comma 1 centimeter. These are the three measurements they have given. With these three measurements, can we form a triangle or not? Let us see. So to form a triangle, we have to satisfy any one of the condition. Either sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side, and the difference of the any two sides should be smaller than the third side. So to form a triangle, with any measurements, okay, to form a triangle, it should satisfy the condition which it should be satisfy the condition of sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. ఏమైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అది థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, చూద్దాం. సో 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. Is it greater than 8 centimeter? No. So 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. It's not greater than 8 centimeter. That means we get here 6 centimeter is not greater than 8 centimeter. It is not greater than 7. But here with the given measurements, here the sum of two sides is not greater than third side of the triangle. Sum of any two sides of the triangle is not greater than the third side of the circle. So sum of any two sides should be greater than third side, but it is not greater than. So with the given measurements, we cannot form a triangle. So therefore, with the given measurements, we cannot form a triangle. అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్, ఏవైనా రెండు సైడ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉండాలి, కానీ ఉందా ఇక్కడ లేదు. సో మనం ట్రయాంగిల్ని ఫామ్ చేయలేము. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ 7.4. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు ప్రాక్టీస్ దట్. ఓన్లీ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ దట్ what is the angle, for that angle what is the opposite side, opposite angle, opposite side. Based on only that, what we need to find, you focus on that and solve the problem. ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో దాని మీద ఫోకస్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేసేయాలి. సో ఓన్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై ద టూ థియరమ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ద లాంగర్ సైడ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్, ద సైడ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ద గ్రేటర్ యాంగిల్ ఈస్ లాంగర్. ఈ రెండు బేస్ పైన, అండ్ ఆల్సో విల్ అప్లై ద టూ మోర్ థియరమ్, దట్ ఈస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈస్ must be greater than the third side, and the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than third side. The base paina manam cheskuntuntam. Okay, then thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.